Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Helena local and long-distance movers near me. Are you searching for a cheap Helena moving company you can trust? Hire 3 movers for your local or long-distance move. We know how to make sure you get the moving services you need, no matter where you are going. Our team has successfully moved large homes, small apartments, businesses, commercial outfits, dorm rooms, equipment, and so much more. No matter what you need to move, we can help you. When you choose to hire us for your long-distance moving needs, you gain access to these options. Packing services. Let us take care of the tedious task of packing and unpacking for you. Moving supplies. We offer the best moving supplies and packing materials you will find to ensure your items are fully protected. An on-time move. Our movers will show up on time and ready to get to work for you. Upfront pricing. With a free moving estimate from us, you get the right price to set your moving budget. Licensed and insured. We make sure all your items are fully protected throughout the entire moving process. When it's time to move your entire home or business across the country or a few states over, you need help. This is a big move and hard to handle on your own. With our help, you can keep your things protected and have less to worry about when relocating. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Helena moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.